Are you struggling to find the time to trade and pull in a substantial profit from Forex? Maybe it's time to try something different. Most people trade Forex with major pairs like EURUSD, USD-JPY, GBP-USD, etc. But have you ever thought about trading the less mainstream pairs? Frankly, there's no reason not to, especially because of three very important reasons. 1. In many cases, they can be easier to trade for a profit. 2. They have unique patterns that are different than you might think and can be exploited for a nice profit. 3. These trades can be entered and managed completely on autopilot for you. In a moment, I'll tell you these exact pairs that I discovered that can be traded automatically with insane accuracy and how to gain access to the software to do this. First, let me introduce myself and share a very important secret with you. My name is Doug Price. I'm a full-time Forex trader. For almost a decade, I worked for funds trading massive amounts of money with my strategies. It was fun, it was profitable, but it was time to move on and go off on my own. I was tired of what I was seeing and wanted to start trading for myself and helping others. And that is why I want to give you a chance to access my software today. The fact is, most vendors selling your trading systems aren't actually real traders. Unfortunately, it's true. And usually they suck you in with both ridiculous claims and promises that aren't realistic. However, this isn't going to stop me from helping you today. You see, I genuinely want to help you, but I'm going to prove it to you. Let me tell you why I'm doing this, why I'm different, and a little secret that will help you change your life forever. Before we talk about this little secret, it's important I disclose to you the big answer to why. Let's talk about the reason I'm disclosing my secrets, revealing the lies, and allowing you to access my automated Forex system that does actually work on real accounts, as you can see by my live money account below this video. For years, I've watched investors and traders get cheated over and over again, and I've even had a few people approach me, trying to cheat me also. Frankly, I'm sick of seeing this happen to good and hardworking people like you. Not too long ago, I decided I can and must make a difference. And from that moment on, I've been working hard to release my best Forex systems to help traders win. My experience as a trader over the years, managing funds, has allowed me to excel in Forex trading. Because of this, I'm able to help you by sharing these same systems I developed that allows me to make full-time income from trading alone. Please answer this question for me. In what investment can you consistently profit 10%, 20%, 50%, 100%, and in some cases even more on a monthly basis with a small investment? Real estate? Stock market? Bonds and CDs? Nope. You probably know and guessed it. Forex. The Forex market is one of the only investments in the world where you can invest as little as $200 to $300 and make a nice consistent profit. Every day, trillions of dollars change hands, making Forex a very liquid and very profitable moneymaker. Now, don't get me wrong. Not everyone can do well and make nice returns in Forex. In fact, a lot of traders lose money trading Forex. Fortunately, you don't have to be one of those traders, and I have two really good reasons why. 1. In a moment, I'm going to share with you the secret plan to trading success. 2. I'm going to give you a chance to gain instant access to my automated Forex system that has produced over 2,000% profit in a little over a year, completely on autopilot. Although you may have doubts that you could ever be a successful Forex trader, you should not give up hope, because you've been led to believe it's difficult and complicated to be successful, but it's really not. The secret is broken down into emotion, verifications, trade management, money management, and market awareness. Emotion. You must be tough, relaxed, and persistent. This may right now seem like a basic secret, but it's very important. If you become emotional, then it will get in the way of your trading. Stick with a strategy and be open to drawdowns. They will happen. Often I see traders doing great, and then all of a sudden they pull a 360 and do horrible. All because they had some drawdown and started to fear losing trades, and thus closed out trades and started questioning everything. Don't do this. This is a recipe for failure. Verifications. No matter how well designed a strategy is, there will always be conditions that invalidate the strategy signals. That's okay, because it's normal and expected, and we can prepare for it. Using tools to verify a signal is valid is what helps you avoid a bad trade. A few examples are using certain indicators, such as oscillators, using multiple time frames, using the trend, etc. Trade management. Your trade management is one of the most important aspects of your strategy. No matter how good your signals are, it doesn't matter, because your trade management can close you out a winner or loser. There's different ways to manage your trades. dynamically and fixed, with optional trailing stops. Don't worry if this doesn't make sense to you right now. Basically, a simple way to put this: some people use small, medium, or big stop loss. Now you can understand why someone would do a small stop loss. But many times having a too small stop loss can result in the trade closing in a loss, and then the price action moving towards where you would have profited. This is why it's very important to manage your stops accordingly. Money management. Another important aspect of your trading is how you manage your money. And by this, I mean the lot size you select for each trade. An issue I often see with traders is poor risk management with their money. Don't rush to make a lot of money. Grow your account safely. Reinvest the profits and you'll do great. Use safe risks. Market awareness. Do you read the news? The news you should be reading is the global financial news. Now, most news you can trade is normal, but from time to time there are news events that cause the currency markets to move rapidly in a way that can cause you to lose money on a valid trade signal. Unfortunately, you won't be able to avoid all bad movements, but you can increase your chances of avoiding bad trades with basic market awareness. For example, pending news of a vote on a major issue in Greece repaying its debts may be a good signal to avoid trading during and right after the vote results are announced. Lastly, awareness is watching a currency pair and understanding how it moves. Believe it or not, currency pairs have personalities and move with different patterns. You might not have the time, knowledge, or skills to implement each of these points discussed, but that's okay. I've got you covered. Luckily, I've created a unique micro breakout strategy that implements these secrets with maximum account protection and account growth in mind. Let's talk about that now. I want to introduce you to Channel Trader Pro. Channel Trader Pro is a 100% automated Forex robot that incorporates the principles I just shared with you into its strategy. It incorporates some of the most profitable methods of trading Forex and works on 3 unique currency pairs. Channel Trader Pro trades on AUDUSD, EURJPY, and AUDCAD. Why these 3 pairs? I discovered a unique pattern that has been consistent for many years on these pairs. To exploit it, I created a strategy that targets this pattern, and it's worked so well that I've turned one of my accounts from almost 5,000 to over 100,000 in almost 12 months. I found that with this unique pattern, each pair responded exceptionally to my micro breakout strategy. Channel Trader Pro incorporates this micro breakout strategy and scans the lower time frames. When the breakout occurs, the robot automatically enters the trade and manages it for you. Now, don't mistake this for a high-frequency scalper, because it's not what this is. Channel Trader Pro trades about 200 to 300 times per year on average. It is meticulous in its trade entry and tries to filter out bad signals with multiple verification levels. Listen, markets can and do change, but it should not and does not have to be a major concern for you. Channel Trader Pro focuses on short-term trades to get in and out of the market and collect its profits while limiting exposure to rapid market movements. The dynamic management system and strategy allows Channel Trader Pro to adapt to market changes. Do you fit into any of these groups? Little or no experience trading Forex, limited time on your hands because of work and family obligations, minimal technical experience, experienced trader but tired of staring at the screen. If you fit one of these groups, then yes, Channel Trader Pro can and will work for you. Channel Trader Pro is a simple plug-and-play system that only requires you to select your risk. It then does the rest for you. The truth is, Channel Trader Pro takes a few minutes to set up, and then it runs on your computer or VPS in the background, looking for trades and managing your Forex account for you. It's completely hands-free and requires no intervention on your part. Dozens of times I've been asked, will I be able to get the same exact trades as you do in your account? And yes, when you gain access to Channel Trader Pro, you'll be able to get the same exact trades I get in my own account. Trade delivery system built into Channel Trader Pro is designed to match your account trades with my own. So when I win, so do you. And that's why I'm certain you can achieve the same exact success that you see on my real money account. Also, the extensive testing I've done with other traders has proven to me that this will work for you. So here's the deal. You've seen my account, you see it's real money, and it's third-party verified. With Channel Trader Pro alone, I've been able to smoothly grow my account from under $5,000 to over $100,000 in a short period of time. Also, I've revealed to you the secrets to successful Forex trading. And when implemented correctly, they allow you to annihilate the markets and make bundles of money. Now I understand you might not have extensive trading experience, or you don't have time to trade. That is exactly why I've introduced you to Channel Trader Pro. I've developed this software for the purpose of automatically trading your Forex account and implementing all my secrets for Forex success without you having to do anything. With that said, in a few minutes you can scroll down, click the download button, sign up, and get easy and quick access to Channel Trader Pro software. But first, let me tell you what it includes. 1. A lifetime license to the Channel Trader Pro software that can be used on any account, demo or live, and can be switched from account to account at any time. 2. Access to the full version software of Channel Trader Pro that installs to the MetaTrader 4 platform. MetaTrader 4 is provided free. Channel Trader Pro is plug and play with all settings preset that are used on my own account. Simply just set risk and it does the rest. Included is also a detailed manual with step-by-step instructions to help you get installed and set up as quickly as possible. 3. I'm constantly examining the markets, monitoring the effectiveness of my strategies, and look for possible ways to make improvements. Whenever I make any improvements or add pairs, you of course receive these updates absolutely free. 4. Channel Trader Pro is really easy to install and set up. However, I do understand that you may have questions that may arise, and that's okay. I'm happy to help you. That is why I make my assistant and myself available every day around the clock to be there for you. If you could have a robot that trades the currency markets with over a 95% success rate, and you wouldn't have to do anything but watch winning trades roll into your account, what would that be worth to you? To me, it's priceless. It's an asset that keeps giving and producing income for me and well for years to come. Fortunately, today I'm giving you the opportunity to get full lifetime access to Channel Trader Pro so you can rapidly change your life without any trading experience required. What price would you put on a piece of software that could generate $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, possibly even $100,000 per month? Would you be willing to pay $5,000 or $10,000 or even more for it? Channel Trader Pro is without a doubt worth way more. I put thousands and thousands of dollars into coding this system, testing, and improving it, and hours upon hours of my time to make it perfect. But there is great news. You don't have to go through any of this or even spend that kind of money or time. I did it for you, and I'm willing to give you full access to the software for significantly less than you think. Truth is, action takers are always the ones who end up successful. When you don't take action and sit and wait, usually nothing changes. Most people dream their future will involve a mansion, yachting, private jets, vacations, and more, but they never do anything to actually achieve these dreams. Now, I'm not saying you'll be able to afford something exotic anytime soon, but Channel Trader Pro can, without a doubt, help boost your income significantly. But the only way this will happen is if you take action. Luckily, you can join today. There are spots still available for you, but they are limited and will not last long. I want you to have massive success with Channel Trader Pro. But I understand you may be skeptical and even find that hard to believe. Therefore, I'm basically going to guarantee your success. If for any reason you're not happy with Channel Trader Pro, that can be because of the results or you just find that it's not for you, then reach out to me and I will refund every cent you paid for the software. Try my software for 60 days. That's a long 2 months. And anytime during that period, you have an unconditional and no questions asked money-back guarantee. The risk is all on me, but I'm certain you will love Channel Trader Pro. Once you sign up below, you'll be able to download your copy of Channel Trader Pro right away. You'll gain access to Members Area, where there is full instructions, recommendations, and support. I personally use real money with my software, and I stand behind it. The truth is, if you want to make a change in your life, the only way is to take action. And I'm giving you a risk-free way for me to prove to you that Channel Trader Pro can help you. So join me, and let's help you create a new source of wealth.